Hey guys, welcome to our experiment. My daughter and I went on an overnight camp out to test out my new backpacking gear and have a little one-on-one time. This is where our story begins.
There's Genevieve hanging in the hammock. Yay! And we got our tent set up. We didn't put a fly on it this time for right now because there's not going to be any rain. There's a picnic table and our fire pit's right over there that we're going to cook s'mores in. And Genevieve says this is our backyard because we staged our YouTube video. Yeah. It's totally fake. We're not really here, right?
Yeah. Oh, this is last day on trail.
Looks like it might actually be dry today. And here is reference from the parking lot. All right, shall we?
Let's go. You might be able to catch the light behind it if you go this way.
Yeah. Pretty cool little spider web trap that we saw. Oh, if you look right in the back there, you can see the entrance for the spider, the circle.
What?
The tunnel. Look right in the back there. You can see the tunnel.
See the spider, it's dead. Okay, let's go. Are you sure it's this way?
Which campsite's this one? Does it have a number?
It doesn't have
Camp number 2.
Oh, there are little campsites like this?
Yep, there are 14 or 15
little campsites?
Campsites like this. No, they're just backwoods, primitive campsites they've cleared. They've got a fire ring. This one's pretty small. Oh, yeah. On the other side, we looked at campsite 14, and it could hold like 3 or 4 tents and quite a few hammocks.
Oh, I'm not walking in that one. You can.
What one?
Nothing. Just. Thanks, Dad. I saw the spider web this time.
Yeah, you had me go forward so I could be your cobweb cleaner.
Yep. I was yours.
I know, for all of like 30 seconds.
See, I made it into like 5.
Okay. You're sitting around, you're bored? Go camping with your kids.
Jeez. I like camping.
So there Genevieve is kicking back after we walked, what? Not quite a mile. We set up our MSR Pocket Rocket Deluxe.
Oh, it's boiling.
Oh, look. It's boiling in like less than 3 minutes. Let's make some lunch. We are going to have, let's see, what are we going to have? We're going to have sweet and sour chicken from Backpacker's Pantry. Yeah, it looks pretty good. We decided to test out laying in opposite directions in the hammock.
Again.
There we go. Lay crisscross.
Nope. Okay, I got this. You should just get a weave.
I should get a weave. I should get a rug. Throw a rug on my head.
Do you know what a weave is?
Yes. Do you know what a rug is?
Yeah, yes. Okay. You want to go ahead?
Oh, there you go. Cleared the spider web for you.
Oh, sorry.
Oh, there we go. That's just what we need on every hike. Somebody to walk behind me and fan my head. Yeah.
I can't get the other side.
That feels really good. Oh, it felt good.
Yeah.
Thank you.
I feels good on you too. Only I don't have a bald head, so I just do it at my hairline.
Yeah, if you take your rug off, you'd be bald like me. The fungus looks pretty cool on the tree.
Oh, yeah.
You're swinging in the hammock.
Yep.
But listen to the cicadas.
Giving me a headache. Well, I feel it now as just before, but not the fire. Because that's the easy way, you know?
It's burning pretty good, so we're going to let that burn down just a little bit, get some coals, and then we're doing s'mores. Not a whole lot of light, but we're getting some campfire lights. This is cool.
Yeah, just campfire light.
Yeah, wink, wink. It was so dark, even though we had a really nice campfire. We ended up turning on the red light on the headlamp just to kind of illuminate us just a little bit, so we weren't like, you know, talking ghosts.
We got matching bracelets.
Yes. Ah, where's my bracelet?
This was something new we were trying.
There we go. It's got an eyeball and everything.
We are trying something new. Oh, this part's done.
You having fun?
Yeah.
Awesome. Then we head home.